can't see a thing. Oh dear. Oh my, I was doing so well till this happened.
I'll phone for help.
Glenn, what happened?
I was headed to a siding when my brakes fell and the rails were slippery and I came off the bend and this happens.
A little more, and stop. Those clouds don't look happy. They were crying last night, and I'm sure they're about to shed some tears today, me hearty. Well, I need a chain replacement. If my chain gets rusted, then I won't be able to help you guys with lifting.
Good morning, all. Salty, where's the sunshine? I thought the sun never goes away at the harbor.
Today the sun decided to hide behind the clouds.
I got you, Salty. I heard about Glenn's accident. Back on the Great Western, Oliver had an accident too. So Stopney will be taking my spot till Oliver gets mended. His buffers were smashed, turner cap was bashed in, and water terminated his fire. And now I'm here to help till Glenn gets back.
That little coffee pot engine needs better brakes. Sometimes when he stops, he squeaks on the rails and I can't stand it.
Give him time, Cranky. Later that day, Spencer was getting a washdown. I can't believe that Bumblebee Diesel called me silly. I can be silly at times, but I'm mostly serious. He's the one that caused that explosion. And here comes Bertie the cheerful bus.
Hello, Spencer. Have you seen George the Steamroller?
You mean that green piece of machine that despises railroads?
Yes.
He went down and took a ride across the tracks. I saw him earlier rolling out the pavement.
I hear it's for the new line.
New line? I thought we just built a new line.
This line is special. Every time I go across the tracks, I slightly turn so I can see what's going on.
What all have you saw?
2 very large steam engines, about the size of Axel, and 2 little tank engines about the size of Hashima.
Those names sound too familiar. Are you sure it wasn't them, Bertie?
It wasn't. They had a distinct paint job to them. It was really amazing to look at. Oh, sorry, Spencer. I have to go pick up some passengers.
2 and 2, that's 4. It can't be. That night, Percy was set to take his train to the Bluebell Railway.
Be careful, me hearty. The winds are strong and the clouds are crying. Will do, Salty.
Percy, we're almost there. We can do this.
Oh, that was loud. My ears are shaking. I'm scared.
As Percy was traveling, a huge thunderbolt came out the sky. Whoa, that sounded like it hit something. Hot cinders, Percy. One of our tankers is on fire.
Huh?
Flynn was coming home after he had his inspection. He saw Percy pass by him. Whoa! Flynn managed to pace Percy. Percy's driver was able to slow the train down. Finally, he came to a stop. Flynn put out the fire with his water cannons and stopped the problem from escalating.
Thank you, Flynn.
No problem, Percy. Glad I was running a night shift. This really could have been bad. Wait, hold it, you two. Percy, I will shine my light to lead the way. A tree has fallen on the rails and has blocked your path. Stay with my light. Well done. I could have done it better myself. Come on, Arnold. Let's take to the skies and find out where exactly he's headed.